Thank you. Today New Zealand is very proud to provide humanitarian supplies and COVID supplies to Timor-Leste. On Sunday, the New Zealand Foreign Minister announced $1.4 million US assistance for COVID relief and humanitarian supplies. On board the plane, we've got humanitarian supplies, family kits, hygiene kits, generators, water pumps, portable water canisters. These are to help with the communities here in Dili, but also in the districts. We've also got personal protective equipment on board to help with the COVID surge here in Timor-Leste, including gloves, gowns, masks, thermometers. We're hoping that this will help Timor-Leste to manage what is a difficult time here with both flood and COVID.
We are very grateful to the Government of New Zealand, His Excellency the Ambassador, for the support that we are getting. A big number of children and mothers have been impacted because of the floods. Unfortunately, it comes during the time when we have COVID-19 numbers also going up. So we are extremely grateful for this support, which will help the women and children in need, the water and sanitation needs, the nutrition needs, the health needs, the psychosocial support and counseling for the children who've gone through some really bad times recently because of the floods. So we're extremely grateful. UNICEF is very proud to partner with the Government of New Zealand, and the support that we are getting here is going to be critical in meeting the needs of children and the mothers, a lot of which are stranded right now in the evacuation facilities and also outside of Dili. So thank you so much, Ambassador, for the support.
Okay, you're welcome. We're pleased to partner with UNICEF as well. We have good, strong support. Looking forward to working with you over the next few weeks.